Lead the Way, a podcast for school leaders with author, speaker, and educator, Dr. Bill Ziegler.
Today I'm excited to be here with Paul Pack, the Loudoun County Public Schools and the Washington Post Principal of the Year. Congratulations, Paul, on being Principal of the Year.
Thank you very much, and thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's great to have you on Lead the Way. I know your school's big into STEM. Tell us what you're doing in STEM in regards to school leadership and moving STEM forward.
Yeah, so we started our STEM education focus actually before I got there. I inherited the program when I became principal in 2012. And what's really been important to me is not only trying to see what we're going to do with the engineering and design thinking in kids and how we're going to integrate technology in a meaningful way, but really try to build leadership capacity in the building for the program to maintain and keep moving forward. So what we do is a lot of kids working collaboratively in groups. Kids are actually designing artifacts and prototypes to show their thinking. And then obviously a high use of technology for kids to become more of the creators of content rather than consume by use of technology.
Okay, great. And what are some tips you would have for school leaders in moving STEM forward in their school?
Realistically, I want to cover it on two fronts, I guess, is one, to move anything forward in the school is really comes down to the relationships between the leaders and the staff and the community and really building those bonds. So I try to, first of all, give a lot of professional development. Our initiative is all homegrown. So we provide a lot of our PD to entry-level teachers, and then we differentiate it for teachers as they go through Liberty. But I would also say that it really comes down to caring for the people in your building, engaging where they are, building those relationships. And then as far as working with the students, I do put a lot into not only the professional development, but the resources that we have as far as bringing in the iPads and bringing in the MacBooks and the coding. We renovated our old-fashioned computer lab, which was a one-to-one desktop computing, into the Smart Lab, which is a collaborative learning environment with kids. And our technology teacher teaches every introductory lesson of a new technology with every teacher in the building and then gauges how much support they need for the follow-up lesson. So I would say that it's the structure and the resources and the professional development, but the underlying is really that school culture, that trust, and that drive to take risks and be innovative.
Awesome. And I know when I talked to you about STEM, I said, how do you lead a STEM building? You said, tell us what you said.
So I have leadership by getting out of the way of really talented people. Everyone here has their heart and their minds in the right place to do the right thing by kids. Sometimes there's a little extra push that one staff member may need, but I think what you need to do is, as a school leader, trust the people that are in the trenches, making the instructional decisions with their kids and really empower them. So I lead by getting out of the way with a little bit of nudging here and there.
Awesome. Well, Paul, it's been great to have you on Lead the Way. Thank you so much and keep doing great things for students.
I appreciate it. Thanks for being a guest having me as a guest.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
You've been listening to Dr. Bill Ziegler with Lead the Way. For more great resources and information about Bill's book, Future Focused Leaders, just visit chaselearning.org. That's chaselearning.org. You can also follow Bill on Twitter at Dr. Bill Ziegler. That's Dr. Bill, Ziegler. This has been a presentation of Lead the Way.